Oxford English.
Lesson 15.
How much are those apples? How much are those pears? How much is that perfume? How much are those flowers?
Ders 15.
How much is it?
Pazar yerinde alışveriş. İngiliz parası. Dinleyin.
Listen.
Lucy Lovett Londra'da teyzesinin yanında kalıyor. Cumartesi sabahı Portobello Road'daki antikacılar çarşısını geziyorlar.
What's that thing? I don't know. How much are these perfume bottles?
This one is £5, and these are £15 each.
£15? Well, that's expensive.
They're very old. They're Victorian.
This one's beautiful.
It's £15. Have you got cash?
Yes.
You can have it for £12.50. How's that?
Okay. Here's £15.
Here's your change. £2.50 and a bottle.
Meyve ve sebze satıcılarının bulunduğu bölüme geçiyorlar.
How much are those oranges?
25p each.
Could I have 10, please?
Certainly, my darling. Anything else?
Yes. I need some apples.
Tekrar.
Repetition.
Önce yalnızca dinleyin.
What's that? That thing. How much is it?
£5. This one is cheap.
This. That.
These. Those.
Those ones are £15.
They're expensive. They aren't cheap.
Here's your change.
25p.
25p each.
Oranges and lemons, apples and pears. I need some bananas.
Şimdi şu sözleri dinleyin ve yüksek sesle tekrarlayın.
What's that? That thing. How much is it?
£5. This one is cheap.
This. That.
These. Those.
Those ones are £15.
They're expensive. They aren't cheap.
Here's your change.
25p.
25p each.
Oranges and lemons. Apples and pears. I need some bananas.
Practice.
Uygulama.
Exercise 1. Here's your change.
Müşterilerin her birinin yerine şunları siz isteyin. Örneği dinleyin.
I'd like 4 apples and 4 oranges, please.
Certainly. Here's your change. £3.20.
Şimdi bir sonraki müşterinin A yerine siz konuşun. Şimdi şunları yüksek sesle isteyin.
I'd like 4 lemons and 3 oranges, please.
Certainly. Here's your change. £3.65.
Şimdi müşteri B yerine konuşun.
I'd like 6 oranges and 4 pears, please.
Certainly. Here's your change. £3 and twopence.
Şimdi de müşteri C.
I'd like 10 apples, please.
Certainly. Here's your change. £3.
Şimdi müşteri D.
I'd like 6 pears and 6 lemons, please.
Certainly. Here's your change. £2.38.
Son olarak da müşteri E yerine konuşun.
I'd like 8 oranges and 5 apples, please.
Certainly. Here's your change. £2.50.
Exercise 4. Pronunciation.
Şu kelimeleri tekrarlayarak İngilizce'deki ç sesinin telaffuzu üzerinde çalışın.
Cheap,
Change.
much,
Each. Exercise 5.
Şu şarkıyı söyleyin.
How much are those apples? How much are those pears? How much is that perfume? How much are those flowers?
15.
Oxford English.
lesson 16.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Ders 16.
Do you accept traveller's checks?
Kredi kartı ya da seyahat çekiyle ödeme yapma. Dinleyin.
Listen.
Bir Amerikalı turist Wood'undaki Lovett parfüm mağazasından ülkesine götürmek üzere hediye alıyor.
And some cologne, please.
Do you want the big bottle or the small one?
The big one, please.
This one.
Yes. How much is that altogether?
£17.50 plus £8.50. That's £26.
Do you accept dollars?
I'm afraid not.
What about traveler's checks?
Of course.
What's the date?
The 10th of September. Could I see your passport, please?
Here you are.
Thank you very much. And here's your change.
Tekrar.
Repetition.
Önce yalnızca dinleyin.
Do you accept English money?
I'm afraid not. English money,
Spanish money?
credit cards, traveller's checks.
Do you take traveller's checks?
Yes, of course.
What's the date?
It's the 1st of January. 1st, 2nd, 3rd,
4th, 5th, 6th.
the 6th of February.
January, February, March,
April, May, June,
July, August, September.
October, November, December.
Şimdi dinleyin ve yüksek sesle tekrar edin.
Do you accept English money?
I'm afraid not. English money,
Spanish money?
credit cards,
Traveller's checks? Do you take traveller's checks?
yes, of course.
What's the date?
It's the 1st of January. 1st, 2nd, 3rd,
4th, 5th, 6th.
The 6th of February.
January, February, March,
April, May, June,
July, August, September,
October, November, December.
practice.
Uygulama.
Exercise 1. What does Diana Lovett accept?
Diana Lovett'a hangi ödeme türlerini kabul ettiğini sorun. Önce 2 örnek dinleyin.
Do you accept Spanish money? I'm afraid not. Do you accept credit cards? Yes, of course.
Şimdi İtalyan parası kabul edip etmediğini siz sorun.
Do you accept Italian money? No, I'm afraid not.
Diners Club kartıyla ödeme kabul ediyor mu? Sorun.
Do you accept Diners Club? Yes, of course.
Seyahat çeki kabul ediyor mu?
Do you accept traveller's checks? Traveller's checks? Yes, they're fine.
Ya Fransız parası? Sorun.
Do you accept French money? No, I'm afraid not. I'm sorry.
Peki American Express kartı kabul ediyor mu?
Do you accept American Express? Oh yes, we accept American Express.
Son olarak da Alman parası alıp almadığını sorun.
Do you accept German money? No, I'm afraid not.
Exercise 2. Pronunciation.
Şunları tekrarlayarak sıra sayılarının sonundaki t sesini telaffuz etmeye çalışın.
8th,
10th,
11th,
16th,
24th,
38th,
49th,
60th.
Exercise 3.
Şu şarkıyı söyleyin.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
16. ders.